In this video I will show to use Chat-GPT to make videos.
Before we start the video, go into the first link in my description and it will redirect you to Elements in Vado. The subscription there is super cheap and affordable for video editors. Get the best stock footages, fonts, templates, effects and everything any graphic designer or video editor could possibly need.
Go to Chat-GPT and watch my steps. Now we type this. Watch what I type to Chat-GPT so you don't miss anything. Now type this to get the script you need for the video. Copy what you need for the video. Open Filmora. This is the clips I will use. You can find what clips you want for the video. In this part I'm editing the clip the way I want. You can do your creative ways to make it better. Edit the clips the way you want. Go right click and click text to speech.
Wondershare. Creativity simplified.
You can see I'm setting the voice on the video to set the same time the video starts showing the places.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most incredible countries in the world, Italy. If you're planning a vacation and looking for the best places to visit, you're in the right place. Let's explore 3 must-see destinations that will make your trip unforgettable. Top 3 places to visit in Italy.
Now I'm editing the way I want. You can do your own.
Hey everyone! The most incredible countries in the world, Italy. If
I'm editing the video so I can show you. It's better if you make it looks more cooler.
for the best places to visit, you're in the right place. Let's explore 3 must-see destinations that will make your trip. Top 3 places to visit in Italy. Hey everyone!
Like the video, subscribe to my channel, get your Filmora 14 today, and don't forget to subscribe to Elements Envato. Peace.